Hey everyone, welcome back to Flowers and Folk. I'm Christina, and today I'm going to share a few of the updates I did to my bathroom recently. So just jumping right into it, this is what I was working with. This bathroom hasn't been touched in God knows how many years, and I think, bathrooms can just be a little intimidating with the plumbing and tile work and stuff like that. So I chose to do a few simple updates, mainly a bunch of painting and changing out a few fixtures and stuff like that to hopefully just give a completely different look to this bathroom. So as you can see, we have these baby blue walls, which are super dated, and this cherry wood cabinet that just doesn't go well together. And the biggest thing are those shower doors that are disgusting and old and just gave us a headache with getting jammed and all that. So those were the main things that we needed to tackle. So once we took off the shower doors, instead of retiling and doing all that, I decided to paint the tile and the tub with this product called Tough as Tiles. Now I did a little research on some of these tile paint products, and I chose this one essentially because it's a shorter curing time. This one is about 2 days you have to wait for it to cure, and a few of the other ones were 3+ days, and this is our only bathroom, so I couldn't wait that long for it to dry. Now I also heard really bad reviews on the smell of some of these products, but unfortunately I just don't think there was any work around that. I think all products like this are going to have a really intense smell. So that was the biggest downfall of it all. The smell was really intense. We had to stay at a hotel for a few days. But other than that, the application process of it and the cleaning process was all a piece of cake. It went on smoothly, and you just had to let it wait a few hours to then reapply another coat. But we're really happy with the way it came out. So painting the bathroom tile and the tub was the biggest part of this whole project. So once we kind of tackled that, we moved on to the cabinet, which we pretty much just took off all of the cabinet doors and drawers, sanded them down really good, and gave them a fresh coat of paint. So I have to apologize, that's all the behind the scenes footage I have, but definitely next reno video I promise to have more footage. So we'll just get into the big reveal, and I'll walk you through some of the things that I did. Going back to the base cabinet, the color I used was Black Magic by Sherwin-Williams. I found these awesome brass handles from the Home Depot, and I think it's a great and inexpensive way to dress up a cabinet. For the walls, I used Drift of Mist, also from Sherwin-Williams, and the trim is just a basic white. I wanted to add a little rustic feel by using different wood textures and mixing some metals. I found these industrial shelves from Amazon for about $40, and I really love the way that they fill up the wall. Continuing with the rustic look, I found this reclaimed wood from the Home Depot, and I created a frame around my existing mirror. The wood cost me about $20, and I adhered it to the mirror with some 3M tape. Another small yet significant change was the light fixture. I found this light fixture for about $80 on Amazon, and I love it. It was also our first time changing a light fixture, so it's a tiny little victory that we're super proud of. A few other accessories that I added was the shower curtain, the towel rod, and a new shower fixture. So with all the paint supplies and accessories, the total I spent was about $450. I still can't believe how dramatic the change was for such a small price. It was a lot of work to get done in such a short amount of time, but to transform your bathroom for under $500 and to see the ending result being so completely different, it's just so rewarding, and I'm so happy to finally have this project done. To see more behind the scenes footage and a little peek into my life, go ahead and follow me on Instagram at Flowers and Folk. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm so excited to share more videos with you, and I'll see you in the next one.